Hello everyone, I am a design engineer of Huawei CloudEngine series switches. Today, I will introduce CE6870 series switches. Huawei CE6870 series switches are 10GE large buffer switches designed for data centers and high-end campus networks, providing high performance, high interface density, and low latency. CE6870 series switches provide high-density 10GE interfaces and support 100GE uplink interfaces and a 4GB large buffer. CE6870 switches are designed as high-density 10GE access switches for data centers, helping enterprises and carriers build cloud-oriented data center network platforms. They can also be used as core or aggregation switches on campus networks. CE6870 series switches include CE6870-24S6CQ-EI and CE6870-48S6CQ-EI. With dimensions of 442mm by 420mm by 43.6mm, CE6870 switches provide 24 or 48 10GE SFP plus optical interfaces and 6 100GE QSFP28 high-performance interfaces. Each QSFP28 interface can be used as a 40GE QSFP Plus interface or be split into 4 25GE SFP28 interfaces or 4 10GE SFP Plus interfaces supporting flexible networking. The 100GE uplink interfaces can be connected to CE12800 switches to build a non-blocking network platform. CE6870 switches can be widely used in data centers and carriers networks, providing a state-of-the-art network experience. In a data center scenario, CE6870 switches provide 720 million packets per second forwarding performance and support Layer 2 and Layer 3 line rate forwarding, achieving non-blocking data forwarding and solving the issue of forwarding bottlenecks caused by bandwidth oversubscription on data center networks. For data centers that carry a large number of search and video services, the CE6870 switch provides a 4GB large buffer to cope with east to west traffic bursts on data center networks, preventing packet loss. CE6870 switches can work as high-performance hardware gateways on a VXLAN network, supporting a great number of tenants in a data center. CE6870 switches support open systems and abundant data center features, including the standard EVPN protocol. CE6870 switches can work with devices from other mainstream vendors in the industry, building a convenient Layer 2 connection across data centers. Besides, the large buffer of CE6870 switches can be widely used in carriers' networks. For content delivery networks and networks carrying IPTV services, the large buffer can prevent packet loss caused by traffic bursts. For example, the large buffer reduces video interruption and loading time, improving user experience. With the preceding characteristics, CE6870 switches can bring in the following benefit. High-density 10GE and 100GE interfaces can be used to build end-to-end 100GE non-convergence networks. Are cost-effective, reducing investment. The large buffer can cope with network traffic bursts, providing high-quality service experience and improving end-user satisfaction. CE6870 switches can use the VXLAN protocol to build non-blocking large Layer 2 networks that can carry more tenant services. CE6870 switches can work as hardware virtual gateways to maximize return on investment without changing the live network. Additionally, CE6870 switches inherit the user-defined front-to-back or back-to-front airflow design of Huawei CloudEngine series fixed switches, strictly isolating cold and hot airflow and reducing power consumption. CE6870 switches provide double power modules, ensuring power security. We believe that with such powerful performance, abundant interfaces, multiple useful features, and high energy use efficiency, CE6870 switches can completely meet your requirements on data center networks or campus core and aggregation networks. For more information about Huawei CE6870 series switches, visit http://e.huawei.com or contact your local Huawei sales office.